Mario?
Let me see. You have the black and white.
You can have a tattoo.
Oh, and you've got the skeleton.
It's dinosaurs if you want. You like that guy?
Do you like
What do you
that?
want on your face?
You want to be a mummy?
You want a dinosaur face?
That'd be awesome.
All right, you want to be a dinosaur on your face or what? These are for tattoos so that you can have it on your arm or on your hand. But then she's also doing faces. You want to get your face painted, I know. What do you want to have on your face?
You can have anything you want, right?
I just want it to be like,
What do you want on your face?
Yeah.
no more Luigi, just like,
Yeah, just
I wish that
do
you
it, do it, do it, do it,
use-
do it, do it, do it, do it.
no glitter for sure. We don't want the glitter on Luigi. That would be weird. This way.
I'm glad you made sure.
Yeah, good way to take care of yourself though, right? You
One
never
step
know
ahead,
what-
this boy.
You never know what might happen.
What's
What's this?
That's gonna be Luigi. We're gonna put an L in the middle, okay? Here, let's do the L now.
L for Luigi?
It's gotta have
Do you
a
want to be
mustache.
Mario? Do you want to be Spider-Man? Do you want to be Pumpkin? Do you want to be a dinosaur? What do you want to be, Levi?
Spider-Man.
Ooh, the dinosaur is awesome.
Do you want to be Mario? Do you want to be Mario?
That would be cute. Somebody else might be Mario, but maybe Odin wants to be Mario. That'd be cute. Calvin's smiling.
Odin! Odin!
Odin's coming.
He needs a mustache.
Oh, he might be on the bouncy house actually.
Let's see. Okay, let's see mustache.
Nice. Your face is awesome.
And you can also have tattoos.
Yeah. Can you show Levi your tattoos so he knows what tattoos are?
These are tattoos.
Look. See those? They're tattoos. A whole bunch of dinosaurs on his arm. You want some? I know. Wow, you got awesome tattoos. Calvin, did you see his tattoos, honey?
I do.
That's pretty neat. Look at your mustache. That's awesome.
Let's see. You only have one eyebrow. Yeah. You need two eyebrows, Luigi.
That's awesome.
I just want to outline your hat. Just a little bit.
You're next. You guys stay in line.
Hey, Freya.
You're going to be a dinosaur on your face?